In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical video on Squarespace. If you want your vertical video to display more cleanly on your Squarespace site, this process is very straightforward. We'll first place the video on the page, and then we'll go into the custom styling area to paste in the code that helps the video appear the way you want. Just make sure your video is already uploaded or available in your library before you begin. Start by opening the page where you want the vertical video to appear, then click on ADD block. This lets you insert a new content element into the page layout. From the block options, click on video. That will place a video block into the section you're editing. Once the block appears, double-click the video block to open its settings. In the block settings, click on add a video. This is where Squarespace asks you to choose the video source. Next, click on select from library so you can pull in a video you already have stored in your site files. From there, select the video you want to use. If you're working with a vertical format, this is the point where you'll choose that portrait video file. After selecting it, click on ADD. Squarespace will place the video into the block, and you should now be able to see it attached to that section. When everything looks correct in the block settings, click on Save. This confirms the video selection and keeps your changes in place. Then, click on Exit to leave the page editor area. Now that the video has been added, the next part is adjusting the styling so the vertical format behaves better on the site. In the main Squarespace menu, click on Custom Code and then click on Custom CSS. This is the area where you can apply CSS to change how elements appear visually on your website. Once you're inside the Custom CSS panel, paste the code. This is the final step that controls the video's display styling and helps support the vertical presentation. Be careful to paste the code exactly as intended, since even a small typo in CSS can affect how the page looks. After that, you can review your page and confirm the vertical video appears the way you want. If needed, give the page a quick refresh to make sure the styling has updated properly. And that's it. You've successfully added a vertical video on Squarespace and applied the custom CSS needed to improve its display.